everyone. It is currently 5 to 9. We are up, dressed, ready for the day. Aren't we? Hello, good job. Today is absolutely gorgeous. It's like November's just hit and it's gone super cold, really brisk, really clear, and it's that lovely like winter weather that I like. So I think we might go for a little walk this morning, just me and Amelia. And then this afternoon we have got, again, our baby class, our mini movers. And because it was Halloween last week, or Sunday I should say, we have got our Halloween themed mini movers today. So Amelia will be dressed as her little pumpkin. Won't you, darling? You got a hair clip. And that'll be a lot of fun. And then Jamie has got a half day today as well. So we're going to just do nice things later on. And then we're both actually off tomorrow. So we're going to have some fun. We're going to go for some breakfast maybe and just enjoy ourselves. I also think we might do some baking as well today. I want to make some cookies. I haven't made cookies in a long time, but I'm just really fancying it. You know when you just like have something in mind and you just want to do it that there and then? That's me right now. Also, something very exciting arrived. Our dishwasher, finally. So, if you guys don't know, we had a dishwasher a few years ago and it just went kaput. So we had to get a new one. But we've waited and waited quite a long time. I don't know why, we just had other things to do in the house, but now we have our dishwasher. It is hard work trying to like do all the dishes, particularly after you've had like a big meal or Christmas dinner or something like that. And this year I am hosting Christmas Day here, so I definitely wanted a dishwasher. I didn't fancy doing all the washing up in there. Mind yourself, darling. Come on. No, we're not playing with the gate. Come on. Let's go in. Should we go get our shoes? Yeah, let's go get our shoes. So we are actually going to go for our little walk now. We'll take you along with us and then we'll be back ready for nap time. We had a lovely walk. We are obviously back. Excuse me if you can hear the tumble dryer in the background. I've got a ton of washing on today. But we are just having our lunch, aren't we? What have we got, Amelia? Are you throwing bits on the floor? We had pita pizzas. That's a lie. No, we didn't. We had tortilla pizzas. For Amelia, I just put some tomato sauce and some cheese on hers. And then for myself, I put some barbecue sauce, cheese and sweet corn because I like to make it like Domino's, but it's healthy-ish. So we're just going to have our lunch and then we're going to get ready for mini movers. And then I think, as I said earlier, when we get back from mini movers, we will probably make some cookies. But do you know what we have got in the house at the moment, which I just have not delved into yet? We have a box of Krispy Kreme donuts. I don't know whether that's a good decision or a bad decision, but we're going to eat them later and I can't wait. We're back from our baby dance class and I'm actually going to make the cookies that I wanted to make. I'm actually cheating because I went to Home Bargains and found this and I just wanted to try it. I think it was only 70p or something silly like that. But you just add butter and then you have some delicious cookies. But we have a lot of Halloween chocolate left over, so I think I might chop some up and add some into the mix too. Because this is just normal chocolate chunks, I might add in some white chocolate as well. And hopefully we'll have some warm cookies in about 10 to 12 minutes. So we need 30 grams of softened butter. Give or take, we'll take that. Add our cookie dough mix until it resembles breadcrumbs. Two tablespoons of water. just gonna chuck in some white chocolate buttons that we had from Halloween. I'm just rolling out our cookie dough balls. Why do I have a feeling that these are just going to be huge? And into the oven. We go. We have the goods. I can't remember which one was which now. Which one was the billionaire's one and which one was Nutella? I think
the more plain looking one is the Nutella-y one. Or has it got nuts on it?
Yeah, it's got. I think that's the Nutella one. That's the strawberry dream cake, whatever it is, and that's the millionaire's one. Amelia, which one shall we have first? Point to the one. Which one we should have first? Well, which one? Point to it. Which one? It's a hard decision, isn't it? She's just like studying them all. I'm gonna try this one. What? There's no filling.
Maybe you haven't gone deep enough.
I'm really sure. That's quite nice actually. It's like toffee inside.
It's a bit like custard as well.
It's billionaire's cheesecake, isn't it?
Oh, there you go,
cheesecake
yeah.
one.
Alright.
This one has like a cheesecake filling inside. I have not had that in a donut. It's good. I like it. We have cookies. They look pretty good actually. I thought they were going to spill everywhere, but they're doing okay. It's time! Ooh, these look good. Yum. I'm like a proud mum of my product. They look so good. We are going to try some. Can't wait. Please excuse the chaos that is our living room. Go sit with Daddy then.
Ooh, some snack.
Would you like one?
Yeah.
Here we go. You share one with Daddy.
Ooh.
Do you want to see? Taste test.
How is it?
I think that means it's good. Good?
Very good.
You've got one in your hand, baby.
Well, thank you.
They're really good, actually. What do you think, guys?
Do you like it? No.
Mina, do you like it?
Yeah.
If you're looking for something quick and you just don't have the time to properly make cookies, if I really, really wanted to, I could. But this was an easier option. Definitely go to Home Bargains and pick up the Jane Ashes cookie mix because they are so simple to make and they taste really, really good. Morning. We are going to a new place for breakfast this morning, aren't we? Hi. Yeah.
Nope, I didn't.
Yeah, we're going to a place in Pontcanna in Cardiff called Milkwood, and it's supposed to have really, really, really good reviews. And I've been on their Instagram and it looks amazing. So as I mentioned yesterday, Jamie was off yesterday afternoon, so we made some cookies as we saw, and then today is a new day and we're going to do something fun. So we're going to go there, and then tonight is obviously bonfire night, but we obviously have a young child and we're not massive fans of fireworks anyway, are we?
Well, when I was a kid I was, but now sort of see one or two and
yeah. We're dog people, so we do think of the animals as well. So we're not really doing anything. We're going to have some burgers, we're going to pick up some brioche rolls later. But for now, we are going to have some delicious breakfast and we will take you guys along with us. We are back from our breakfast. This is sometime later. It is now 1:30. Amelia came back, she fell asleep in the car and literally tried to take her up to bed and would not go back to sleep for at least another hour. So we're having a bit of a later lunch and we've got wild child hair, haven't we? Yeah. And whilst Amelia was napping, I did a workout. Jamie went to jiu-jitsu. And we're actually going to pop to Asda this afternoon. We're going to get some bits for our dinner. It's bonfire night. And we're going to have some bonfire burgers. We're going to make kimchi burgers. And I can't wait because I love kimchi. So yeah, we're going to find some interesting things to have. And we're going to make some tempura vegetables as well to go alongside. And hopefully it will taste really good. You okay, Amelia? Oh, you got your dinner as well? You can't eat and have your dummy at the same time. Do you want to put that on the table? What a good girl. Ah.